guys. Oh, sometimes we're waiting for Allison to pick us up. Okay, I have something to confess.
You are my father.
No. I accidentally.
Continue.
I accidentally found your dad's Pinterest account.
Reverse, right? Can I put 2 down?
I like actually, I don't think I
to know
that you took them all. Then you wonder why I went.
I'm back home. Myself a cup of Milo. I have some bio work due today at 5. It's 3:30. I think I will finish. Being on camera. Do you want to say hi?
Come on, guys. Smooth like butter.
Also, if you hear my mom, I'm very sorry, she's on the phone. And let me show you the fit. I'm wearing tennis skirt or whatever skirt you guys call it. Pleated skirt, tennis skirt. I don't care. But this is from Mr. Price, and then I'm wearing this. Not from like a thrift store in Windhoek. It's Tuesday, by the way. I wrote English yesterday. I'm doing a chemistry practical on Thursday. Start my day well and strong. I'm gonna go to Sweetside to spoil myself because I deserve it. Well, not really, but like, you know. I got this keychain from AliExpress. It's like the cutest thing ever. Hi. I just cleaned my room a bit. I need to start studying the chemistry file.